Welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run Student Information System project. As you can scroll down little, you can see this is the project ID. You can search by this in our website. Little lower you can find the options to download the source code, which is not more than 50 MB, and project documentation. Now go to the XAMPP installation website, where you can find the installation files for different operating system. Choose based on your operating system. I have already installed XAMPP on laptop. Let's go the downloaded project file folder. You need to extract the zip file. Now let's open Student Information Project folder. You can find all the PHP files, image file and studentinfo.sql, which is database for the project. Now let's copy the e-commerce folder and move to the XAMPP and Height docs and paste the copied folder here, and also check all the files and database file is present or not, as it may cause error. Let's go to start and open the XAMPP control panel. Open it using as the administrator because it will give more options to control this and start the both Apache and MySQL server. Now let's go the Chrome and go to PHP My Admin panel by using the URL as shown here and click on new option from the side panel, and here we need to create the database with the name of Student Info, and so make sure that there is no spelling mistakes as it causes the database error. You can see in the SQL server I have already created the database Student Info here. You can see it contains the tables like administrator, contact, course, examination, subject, etc. Let's go to the localhost by entering the shown URL and move to the student information folder. Hooray, our website is live and running. So this is the simple homepage which will give you overview. When you click on student, you can search for any student using the roll number and can search by name and course by selecting the course from drop down. You can also log into this website using the admin login ID and pass, or by using the lecturer login ID and password here. You can also contact the management by filling this form here. So this is our Student Management System portal website. This is all about the Student Information System created using PHP. You can also watch demo by clicking on here. You can also request if any final year project in any of the programming language. So this our YouTube channel where you can find the working of all PHP projects. Here you can find all the videos, the PHP project explanation in the step-by-step manner. If you are beginner, you can also find the step-by-step PHP installation from here free of cost. Please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.